Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. Basically it would be a playlist containing all the sections which would be created in Dawn theme. That would be custom sections out of the box. Like it would not be for the Dawn theme itself. It can be utilized in any particular theme if you want. So we are going to create custom sections that can be utilized anywhere in any theme. And so why I'm using Dawn theme as the base? Well, because it follows the Shopify architecture. Why I'm not using uh, any theme forest theme? Because they do not follow the architecture of Shopify. They are sloppy. They are like they have sections which are sometimes useless. They have lots of bugs, and they are not actually up to the mark, or up to the standards followed by Shopify. So that's the reason I'm following Dawn theme, and I'm going to create more than 300 sections 300 sections into the Dawn theme. So if you're new to this whole video, I would suggest you can watch this whole theme development tutorial which was done in Dawn theme, and with the help of that I created this whole layout. Like, although the layout there is of a different website, but with that only I created this whole theme. And if you want this theme, it's also available like into my website, and you can check the link of the website below if you want this theme. And yeah, if you want uh, to create lots of sections, or custom sections in any theme, stay tuned with this whole playlist, and I'll be creating lots of sections. So let's get started without wasting any time.